Good day, this is Jaspreet Kaur and you are watching SK Live. Your time, your news. Ministry of Home Affairs issues new guidelines for Unlock 2. Unlock 2 opens more activities outside contaminated zones, strict enforcement of lockdown in contaminated zones. Union Ministry of Home Affairs has issued guidelines for Unlock 2 to open up more activities in areas outside contaminated zones. The new guidelines will be into effect from July 1, 2020. The process of the phased reopening of activities has been extended further. The new guidelines issued today are based on feedback received from states and UTs and extensive consultation held in relatable central ministries and departments as stimulates in the Unlock Day 1 order. Guidelines issued on 30/5/2020, certain activities like religious places, places of worship for public, hotels, restaurants and other hospitality services and shopping malls have been permitted from June 8, 2020 outside the contaminated zones. Detailed standard operation procedures have been issued. Style and features of new guidelines for Unlock 2. Domestic flights and passenger trains have already been allowed in limited manner. The operation will further be expanded and collaborated manner. Night curfew timings are being further relaxed and curfew shall be enforced from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Further relaxation in night curfew have been seamless operation of industrial units in multiple shifts, movements of person and good on national and state highways, loading and unloading of cargo and movement of people in designations after demarcation of bus, trains and aeroplanes. Shops depending on the areas cannot have more than 5 persons at a time. However, they need to maintain social physical distancing. Training institutes of states and central governments will be allowed in function with the effect on 15 July 2020. SOP of this regard will be issued on Department of Personnel and Training Government of India. After extensive consultation with states and UTs, it had been decided that schools and colleges, coaching institutes will be remain closed till July 31st, 2020. International air flights of passengers has been permitted in a limited manner under the Vande Bharat mission. Further opening will be happening in the collaborated manner. All activities except the following shall be permitted outside contaminated zones: metros, rail services, cinema halls, gymnasiums, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres, bars, auditorium, assembly halls and similar places shall be closed. Social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions and other religious activities shall be closed. Dates for opening this will be decided separately based on the assessment of the situation. Lockdown shall be continued and shall be strictly implemented in contaminated zones till July 31st, 2020. Contaminated zones are to be required to be in a certain manner and a strict manner demarcated by the state's UT government in the view of the contaminated zone of the spread of COVID-19. After taking in consideration the guideline issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Within the contaminated zone, strict permit control shall be maintained. Only essential services shall be allowed. These contaminated zones shall be notified on the website respectively by the district collectors and the state UTs, and information will also be shared by MOHFW. Contaminated zones shall be monitored strictly by the state UT authorities and guidelines relating to the contaminated measures in these zones shall be strictly implemented. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India will monitor the proper delineation of contaminated zones and implementation of contaminated measures. State to decide activities outside contaminated zones. States and UTs based on the assessment of the situation may be prohibited certain activities outside the contaminated zones or impose such restriction on deemed necessary. However, there shall be no restrictions interstate and intrastate movement of person and good. No separate permission, approval, e-permit will be required for any such movement. Night curfew shall continue to remain in force between 10 p.m. and 5 p.m. except for the essential services and relaxation given Unlock 2. National Directive for COVID-19 management shall allow to be followed throughout the country with the view of essential social distancing. Shops will be maintain adequate physical distancing among customers. MHA will monitor the effective implementation of national directives. Protection for vulnerable person that is person above 65 years of age, person with comorbidities, pregnant women and children below of 10 years are advised to stay home, except for meeting essential requirements and for health purposes only. That's all for today. This was the report of Unlock 2. So if we'll get more updates, we'll keep you updated. Till then, keep watching SK Live. Great opportunities for class 10 and 12 students. For class 10 student, there is a paramedical course, and for class 12 students, medical course. Minimum fees and bank loan facilities and various diploma degrees also available. Open for all streams. State Nursing Council affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University and Health Science and Paramedical Board, Government of Karnataka. Aden Paramedical and Nursing College. Contact 80162 35569, Champasari, Siliguri.
आज जहाँ कोरोना से सभी है परेशान, हम लाए हैं कमाने का तरीका आसान। 21वीं सदी में महिलाएं आत्मनिर्भर होकर स्वाभिमान के साथ जीना चाहती है। अगर आप एक गृहिणी हैं और घर से ही मुनाफे वाला व्यवसाय करने का सोच रहे हैं, तो आपके लिए सुनहरा मौका लाए हैं टपरवेयर के सिलीगुड़ी स्थित पूरे नॉर्थ बंगाल के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर नारायणी पार्टी सेल्स। तो सोचिए नहीं, स्क्रीन में दिए गए नंबर में संपर्क कीजिए और विस्तृत जानकारी लीजिए। घर बैठे पैसे कमाए, आज ही फ्री मेंबरशिप लीजिए, अपने सपनों को पूरा कीजिए। मुश्किल की इस घड़ी में आपका साथी सिर्फ टपरवेयर।